Yo, we there, yeah. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Yeah, guys, yeah, we there. And today, guys, we're here with Skeng, Life Changes. Skeng, Life Changes. We're gonna jump for the one else for the G. I say, you don't know, big up yourself, Skeng, big up the whole team around the artists. You see me? So let's go, man. Let's get it. Automatic, big up.
Dance Sky, big up. Grande. I'm here talk about life changes. Remember this man have a dream about this. Know me out to my gun for me. So tell a boy just try stop this. Buddha will make bad flip but me younger the best.
Big up Ratty Gang, Fury Gang. Run up there say if you're bad. Yo, me like to see the young artists them do them thing, dog. Me like to see that, brother. Music not stop at nobody foot and them youth here I tear up the scene. So dog, want to make the most of this. Make the most of this, cause remember we see enough artists forward and get them glory and drop off and last. So want to continue the journey, dog. The team around, you know, is an important part. The people that want to have run is an important part. Let's go again, with G. Let's go.
Somebody's man have a dream about this.
Yeah.
Know me out to my gun for me. So tell a boy just try stop this. Buddha will make bad flip but me younger the best. Just my dog, everything well kiss. My blessings and I hits for hits. Father God know me really want this. So me know me I miss. Yeah, me see the right path. Farm and I come from long life. I stand pipe outside pan the dirty asphalt. Know when me want I'ma go for that dog. It's a pine. Me them see but me I look on a star.
I like the floor. But G. I like the floor, Skeng. Different side of Skeng this also. A different flow this. I don't think he ain't giving up like this before. I like this. Look up yourself, G.
Farm and I come from long life. I stand pipe outside pan the dirty asphalt. Know when me want I'ma go for that dog. It's a pine. Me them see but me I look on a star. Up in the sky, up in the soul line. Get to you, don't start when I build for that dog. Murder one of them from them ram. Me I talk about life changes. Remember this man have a dream about this. Know me out to my gun for me. So tell a boy just try stop this. Buddha will make bad flip but me younger the best. Just my dog, everything well kiss. Come my blessings and I hits for hits. Father God know me really want this. So me know me I miss.
Well, by basketball, big swift that month, you know.
I'm a boy that talk about the new generation. The new era. The new dancer. Father God, we just make this guy do it, isn't it?
Like the part, yeah. I tell you, say, yo, listen, Father God, we are the new era, we are the new dancer. Father God, guide me. Because right now, I'm young, them doing it, but I'm still vulnerable. When I say vulnerable, I mean, say, anything can go on at any given time and you say boom. Because you don't know, because them at you now, them at the talk at the tone. So all eyes are on them and there's people out there waiting for them to do something fuck up. Yeah, me can say it. There's people out there waiting for them to do something fuck up. But G, wanna keep on the meds, level down pan the gun, and you see me, just look out on the eye, dog. You see me? When the song them I go places. We don't even reach it. We have a long way ahead of the same way. You see me? So big up on yourself, dog. Big up on yourself, Skeng. Let's go, man.
I'm a boy that talk about the new generation. The new era. The new dancer. Father God, we just make this guy do it, isn't it? And lead us on the right path. And give us the strength and the knowledge to conquer our destiny. I knew you know, new momentum. One naughty. You're the truth. Yo, John Coop, all 14 say we are the great youth. Hey boy, you know I know gunman. I'm here talk more life changes. Remember this man have a dream about this. Know me out in my gun for me. So tell a boy just try stop this. Buddha them make boy bad flick, but tell me young baby. Just my dog, everything my Chris. Count blessings and it's my hits.
Like this. So squad live a life with G. Have fun with it too. Fuck a bag of gas, spend a bag of money, drive a whole heap of hot car, buy a couple properties well, open a couple businesses. You see me? Your friend of me run a car and broke again. Like this. I like this, man. I like this. Jano, I like this.
Doesn't matter if you have 10.
Yo, Skeng. Hey, boy. Yo, I like this. Like Mr. Skeng. Continue to do the do, bro. You see me? On the new era dancehall now. A lot is on the shoulder. And like me say, enough people want to say, fuck up. But una do it, dog. Una do it, dog. Big up on yourself, dog. You see me? Big up on yourself, my G. You see me? When I say una, I mean like yourself, you, Joshy, Silk Boss, Tentic them, Yakstar them, Nation Boss them, Chronic Law them, the whole of brother at the new era dancehall, my G. So do it, dog. Do it. Big up all of the other young artists them. Too much I want from a call, you see me? Big up on yourself, dog. You see me? So this is where I'm gonna leave that one. If you enjoy that one, please leave a like on the one. Yeah. Ratty gang, big up on yourself. Please comment down below and let me know if you enjoy that one like I did. And I'll see you guys on the next one. You hear that?